Welcome back, man, to Alphamantraining.com. So yesterday we approached with our student partner, follower, approached who we Alphamantraining got 3 phone numbers, and how many numbers he got, it is his private thing, and it was awesome. So 3 new numbers, 3 new phone numbers. 1 phone number could lead to us to a close. We have been in city center, so it was amazing weather. People were relaxed, were walking down the street, and most of girls we were walking with their female friends, like 2-3 different girls were walking. And this is very important skill for you to learn and to know how to approach 2 walking females or 3 walking females, because at the end of the day they meet their female friends, and you need to develop that skill, how to approach 2 girls, how to seduce a girl you like from them. This is very important, because a good girl, a potential your partner, she will have a female friend most of the time. It's very rare that they will walk by themselves alone, so this skill is very necessary. We on Alphamantraining, we have that stage where we train how to deal with groups. So in most groups we're also AMOG, our male of a group, could be beta or alpha, so it difference the way you behave in most stations. So we spent yesterday around maybe 2 or 3 hours. So 3 new numbers, 1 could lead to fuck close. Quite good thing. Same will be for you. So at the beginning of Alphamantraining, so maybe you will feel unnatural, maybe you will feel not comfy doing that, but remember, lesson after lesson you will feel more and more comfy, and more better you will feel. And to support you and to help you out, also our products will help you out. So you need to read them, watch DVDs, go to alphamantraining.com, click products, read our book, How to Become an Alpha Man. So carefully read, you will understand this whole thing, what it's about. We with our students from Half and Award understand what these trainings are about, and it's really easy, and we really can concentrate just on practice, on training. We go, we approach, we meet new women, and we do infield breakdown, and we don't need to actually waste our time while learning things which you could read in our book and watch on our DVDs. So first, you read our book, How to Become Alpha Man. Second, you watch pickup online training courses. Third, you learn how to dance with women, night game program. Fourth, you go to products from Approach Text with 5 different girls at the gym, at the resort. 5 different girls, version 1, version 2. Then you go to same day bang, version 1, version 2. You watch all the products in the row, and then you pay deposit for Alphamantraining. So go to alphamantraining.com, click log products, insert the card, and we waiting you on training. See you. Bye.